Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add a Google Calendar to Squarespace. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to go to calendar.google.com, and in here we want to ensure that we are currently logged in. Now once you're logged in, the next thing we want to do is we need to access the settings. So at the top right of your screen, you should see a gear icon or the settings icon. Let's go ahead and click on it and go to settings. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to scroll down at the left panel here and choose the calendar that you want to include. Now in this case, I have this calendar here. Let's go ahead and choose this one. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go to the section that says Integrate Calendar. Now in the Integrate Calendar section, this is where we'll be able to see our embed code for our calendar. In this case, go ahead and click on that embed code section, and from there go ahead and copy your embed code, and from here let's go back into our website. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to edit our website, so let's go ahead and click on edit, and from here what we need to do is we need to add a block. So go to the section where you want to add your calendar, click on add block, and from here scroll down a bit until you see the code section, click on it. And from here, you could go ahead and reposition it in any way that you want. Like for example, we want to position it in this way. Now from here, click on the edit option here. And from here, copy or basically highlight everything you see here. Paste your embed code. And from here, once you've done that, you could go ahead and just go back into your original website here. And as you can see, we were able to successfully add a calendar into our website. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.